Today, we're installing our Rally Light Bar with our Baja Designs XLR Sport Light Package. When you receive your Rally Light Bar light package, everything you need comes all in one box. Inside our box, you will see everything carefully packaged. The Rally Light Bar, Baja Designs lights of your choice, the lower mounting brace, and the hardware kit. So I laid all the contents out. We have here the Rally Light Bar, the lower mounting brace, the upper support bracket, hardware with instructions, and Baja Designs lights of your choice. So here are the tools that you'll need: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a panel pop-off tool, a 9/16 wrench, a 7/16 wrench, a 9/16 socket, a 12mm socket, an 11mm socket, a ratchet wrench with an extension, some shears or a box cutter, and some tape. And now we're ready to do the install. All of our components are powder-coated textured black to give it a protective finish against the outdoor elements and nicely complement a rugged overland look. Each bar is designed to contour your specific vehicle as a fairly simple bolt-on application. We've done the engineering on all of our bars so that you can have the confidence to install it at your own convenience on your driveway or garage with simple tools. So now I'm going to hand it over to Jason to install the lights.
Now that we have the rally light bar on, let's install the Baja Designs XLR Sport lights. Let's take a look at the Baja Designs lights. Inside, what you'll find is a couple really important things. First, to start with, of course, a decal, a product registration card, which you definitely should fill back and send back to Baja Designs. We've got the 2 lights of your choice, as well as brackets, mounting hardware, and then a full wire harness under here. For our build today, we chose the XLR Sport driving combo lens. If you take a close look at the bracket, we went ahead and powder coated it black. Normally it comes this color, just to match our look and feel of our build. When installing the Baja Design lights, we want to make sure that we use the hardware that was included with the Rally Innovations Rally Light Bar versus the Baja Designs hardware kit. Okay, time to install the lights. As you put everything together, make sure that you have the bolts in this orientation. Then what we'll do is we'll put that same bolt through the bar, through and through. Just like that. We'll use the washer and nut provided. And then we could use a 9/16 wrench and tighten it down. So next, we'll want to wire the lights to the wire harness. What we recommend and what we did for our project is we used the Baja Designs supplied wiring harness, and that's what we recommend you do as well. Okay, let's take a look at the install. Between the upper and lower support brace, you've got a nice rigid connection to the vehicle, along with a low position mount of the light of your choice. One thing to remember is that the Rally Light Bar is made to mount lights and not as a bash bar or a towing point. So the install requires no drilling, minimal cutting of your under panel splash guard, and can be installed in about 1 hour.